Alex, stop watching TV for a second and look at your phone. Anna just sent us a message.
Anna? Is everything okay? Why is she messaging us so late?
Everything is great. It's an invitation to her 30th birthday party this Saturday.
This Saturday? Let me check my calendar. Oh, that's in only 5 days.
Yes, the party is at her house and it starts at 7 p.m. We definitely have to go.
Of course, but we need to buy a gift. I have no idea what she wants this year.
Don't worry, I have some ideas. Also, I really need to find something new to wear.
But Emma, your closet is completely full of clothes. You have 20 dresses.
Alex, those are old clothes. This is a 30th birthday party. It's a very special milestone.
Okay, I understand. Is it a formal party or something more casual?
Her message says casual but nice. There will be about 20 people.
I love Anna's parties. She always has good music, delicious food, and that amazing cake.
Exactly. Let's make a list right now. The gift, our clothes, and we need to book a taxi. Alex, please come to the bedroom. I need your honest opinion right now.
I'm coming. What's the matter? Are you still worried about the dress?
I can't decide between these two. The blue dress or the green dress.
Honestly, Emma, they both look very nice. You look good in every color.
That doesn't help me at all. You have to choose one. Which one is better for a party?
Okay, try the blue one first. Yes, I really like the blue one on you.
Wait, let me change. Now let me try the green one quickly. What about this one?
Also beautiful. The green is very elegant too.
Alex, please, don't be nice. Be helpful. Choose one.
Fine, the blue one. Final answer. It matches your eyes and it looks more party.
More party. Is that even a real English word, Alex?
It is now. Can I go back to the sofa and finish my show?
Not yet. Look at the shoes. Should I wear the black ones or the silver ones?
Oh no, I'm gonna need a big cup of coffee to survive this fashion show.
Fine, I'll choose myself. Silver. Silver looks more festive. Done.
Look at this mug set here on the shelf, Emma. What do you think?
Oh, let me see. 6 mugs, all different colors. They look very high quality and modern.
And look closely. Each mug has a funny quote on coffee printed on it.
Let me read one. Don't talk to me before my morning coffee. That is so funny.
Anna will love that. She is always so sleepy before her first cup of coffee.
How much is the set? We plan to spend around $30 for the gift.
This set is exactly $28. It's a perfect price and a very useful gift.
Great, let's take it. Do you think we should buy a gift bag here at the shop?
No, don't buy one. You said you wanted to buy special gold paper, remember?
You're right. I want to wrap it myself so it looks personal and beautiful.
Good. You handle the wrapping and the art. I'll go to the cashier and pay.
Alex, I have the mugs ready on the table, but I feel like the gift is a bit small. Small? Emma, there are 6 mugs in that box. It's quite heavy. I know, but for a 30th birthday, maybe we can add one more small thing.
Like what? We don't want to spend too much more money. We have a budget.
Just a nice vanilla candle. Anna always has candles burning in her living room.
Okay, that's actually a very good idea. I'll go to the store and get one tomorrow.
Perfect. Mugs plus a candle. It's a very practical and cozy gift.
And you are going to wrap the whole thing with that gold paper and the big ribbon?
Yes, it's going to look like a professional gift from a luxury magazine.
I believe you. Whenever I wrap something, it looks like a total disaster.
Alex, help me. Look at all these birthday cards. A funny one or a sweet one?
Definitely a funny one. Anna loves to laugh, especially at herself.
How about this one? It says, another year older, still fabulous.
That's perfect. She's turning 30, so she'll like the word fabulous.
Okay, card is done. Now, look at this gold wrapping paper. Is it too shiny?
No, it looks very expensive and elegant. It's much better than the plain pink paper.
And I found a matching gold ribbon and a small gold bow for the top.
You are very specific about these details, Emma. How much is all of this?
The card is $4, the paper is $3, and the ribbon is $2, so $9 total for everything.
Don't forget the tape. I checked the kitchen drawer and we have no tape at home.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. Let's add a roll of tape to the basket. Okay, Alex, it's Friday night. Let's review the plan for tomorrow so we aren't late.
The party starts at 7 p.m. at Anna's house. Her address is 15 Oak Lane, right?
Correct. It's about 20 minutes from our house if the Saturday traffic isn't too bad.
Should we drive our own car? I don't mind staying sober and driving us home.
No, it's a big celebration. Let's take a taxi so we can both have a glass of wine.
Smart. I'll order the taxi using the app for 6:40 p.m.
Maybe make it 6:45 p.m. We don't want to be the very first people there. It's awkward.
Okay, 6:45 p.m. Are your clothes ready? Is my white shirt clean and ironed?
Yes, everything is ready. You're wearing your black jeans and the white shirt.
And the gray jacket? You said earlier that I should definitely wear the jacket.
Yes, please wear it. It makes you look very handsome and more party, as you say.
Fine, gray jacket it is. The gift is wrapped and it looks amazing.
Alex, did you check the taxi app? It's already 6:35. We need to move.
I'm checking right now. Oh, it says it's very busy tonight.
What? Is a car available or not? We can't be late for Anna's birthday.
The app says it might take 15 minutes for a driver to accept the trip.
15 minutes? That's too long. We need to be there soon. Try a different app.
Let me see. Okay, I found a driver on this one. He will be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes is much better. We can wait outside. What color is the car?
It's a blue Toyota. The license plate is TXI407. The driver's name is Paul.
Okay, TXI 407. I'll get my purse and the gift. Let's wait by the gate.
Don't forget your jacket, Emma. It might get cold when we leave the party later tonight.
Finally, 15 Oak Lane. Look, the whole house is full of lights.
I can hear the music from here. It sounds like everyone is already having fun.
Oh, wow. Look at the decorations in the garden. The fairy lights are beautiful.
Anna really worked hard. Look at all those balloons near the front door.
Let's go inside. I'll find a place for our coats in the hallway closet.
Should I give Anna the gift as soon as we see her?
Yes, but tell her she can open it later. She's probably busy talking to everyone.
Look at that table with all the food. Is that the chocolate cake?
Yes, that's it. It looks even better than the photos. I'm so hungry.
Me too. Let's go find Anna first, say happy birthday, and then find the snacks.
Alex, I just had a very interesting talk with that guy near the drinks.
Which guy? The one in the green shirt talking to Anna's brother?
Yes, his name is Ben. He works with Anna at the design studio.
Oh, I've heard about him. Is he a nice guy?
Very nice. He's a graphic designer too. He said my job in sales is actually creative.
Really? Why did he say that? Usually designers think sales is boring.
He said in sales, you have to sell ideas and find creative ways to talk to people.
I never thought about your job like that, Alex, but he has a point.
He's only worked with Anna for 3 months, but he says she is the best boss ever.
Of course she is. We've known her for 8 years. She has always been amazing.
Alex, have you seen the birthday cake up close? It's a work of art.
I saw it from the kitchen. It's huge. How many layers are in there?
3 layers. Anna told me she spent 5 hours today baking and decorating it.
5 hours? I don't have that much patience. I would just buy a cake.
But she loves baking. She says it helps her relax when she's stressed.
Well, it looks like it came from a professional bakery. It's perfect.
It really does. It's almost a shame to cut it and eat it, don't you think?
A shame. No way. I've been thinking about this chocolate cake all day.
Me too. I'm going to ask Anna for a very big piece for us.
Good idea. Let's wait for Anna to blow out the candles, then we can eat.
Alex, I was talking to David, Anna's neighbor, out on the balcony.
The tall man with the glasses? What did he have to say?
Yes, him. He told me about a really beautiful hiking trail near the city.
Oh, I've been wanting to go hiking. We need some exercise. Where is it?
It's at Green Hill Park. It's only about a 20-minute drive from our house.
Is it a very difficult trail? I don't want anything too dangerous.
He said it's not too hard for beginners, and the view from the top is amazing.
We should definitely go there next Sunday if the weather is clear.
David said we should bring a lot of water and wear our most comfortable shoes.
Let's do it. It sounds like a perfect way to spend a Sunday morning.
Are you having a good time tonight, Alex? I am so glad we came.
I'm having a fantastic time. This music is perfect for a party.
Anna told me she spent hours making this playlist. She wanted a good vibe.
She succeeded. The decorations, the food, the people, everything is great.
Have you tried those snacks on the little table? The mini sandwiches are delicious.
I've already had 5 of them. Please don't tell anyone. I was starving.
5? Well, I've had 4, so we are both guilty.
And those little cheese snacks, you have to try at least one.
I will. Everyone seems so happy and relaxed tonight. Want to dance?
Give me 2 more minutes to finish this drink, and then we can go dance.
Alex, look at the time. It's past midnight. We should probably think about going.
You're right. I'll call for a taxi now so we don't have to wait too long.
I'm so happy Anna loved the mugs. She was so surprised by the funny quotes.
She really was. And she said that vanilla is her favorite candle scent in the world.
I'm glad I remembered that small detail. She also loved your gold wrapping.
You mean your gold wrapping? I just carried the box.
It was a team effort. It really was. It was a great 30th birthday for her.
It was. Let's go find Anna, give her one last hug, and say goodbye.
And don't forget, Alex, you ate 3 pieces of cake. I counted them.
Okay. It was the best chocolate cake ever. Let's go home.